Dark matter is one of the most mysterious and fascinating topics of modern astronomy and physics. It is a hypothetical form of matter that is thought to make up approximately 27% of the universe's total mass. But what exactly is dark matter? Well, it's called dark because it does not emit, absorb, or reflect any electromagnetic radiation, making it invisible to telescopes. So, we can't see it, but we can detect its presence through its gravitational effects. Scientists believe that dark matter plays a crucial role in the formation and evolution of galaxies. It is thought to be the glue that holds galaxies together, keeping stars and planets from flying away. The existence of dark matter also helps to explain the observed rotation curves of galaxies, which is the observed rotation of stars around the center of a galaxy. There are several theories about nature of dark matter, including the most popular one, which is the weakly interacting massive particle theory, the WIMP theory. This theory suggests that dark matter particles are massive and interact only through gravity and the weak nuclear force. Another popular theory is the fuzzy dark matter theory, which suggests that dark matter particles are ultralight and interact only through gravity. Despite many theories, the true nature of dark matter remains a mystery. However, scientists are actively searching for dark matter through various experiments such as the Large Hadron Collider and the Dark Energy Survey. To sum up with, dark matter is a fascinating topic that continues to puzzle scientists. But as we continue to learn more about this mysterious substance, we are also learning more about the universe and how it works. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content on space and astronomy.